Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my video, guys. So you see your girl, you welcome back to today's video. Merry Christmas to you all. So guys, in today's video, I want to change where this Christmas tree is because as you can see, this place is too tight. You see, here is too tight, so we want to change it. Yeah, hi guys, happy Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas, but today Jama are celebrating their own today, you know. Merry Christmas to my Jama fans. So guys, we are going to be changing the look. So that's where Christmas tree is, you know. Move it in this place to there, you know. So I first said, hi, I tried your second morning. You have not make your hair. So that's Christopher and Harriet is here. So we are going to be clearing everything. As you can see, everywhere is so rough. So I have Christmas tree. But what I want to do now, I want to divide this chair because as you can see, this chair is very big. So we want to divide it into two. So you guys are going to see how we are going to be doing it. Stay tuned and let's see how I will change the look of this living room area. From the A. You see a fossa? Take. I think we should remove this dress, eh? Remove the dress, pull it so that we add it to the one in my room. We will arrange it later. I want to put it. I give it. Look. Yeah, look here. Ah, is it crawling? Oh, I will carry this away. Oh yeah. Because I look at the remote. Bring the toys. Don't let it here. Okay. I leave the. Move now, I'm doing something. It's okay, sorry. I want to throw this away. Be careful, you push it. Leave it. So guys, this is it. Never mind the look because my children, before you know, they'll scatter it again. So this is my living room area right now. So this is it. This is how it's looking like right now, okay? So this is it. So I have to clean this place. So this is how my living room area is looking like, okay? So that's it. So this is where we keep the Christmas tree now, you know. So I think here is better. Yes, here is a very good place for the Christmas tree. So this is how this place is looking like. So this is how it's looking like. So thank you for watching. So the Christmas tree fits there. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye. You guys should say bye. Bye. Ayafosa, say bye. Ayafosa. Ayafosa. Darlington. Say bye. So bye guys.
Bye. No, me can. Mommy, you know what I was looking for?